OnePlus has launched the OnePlus 12R and OnePlus 12 in India. The OnePlus 12R is particularly appealing to Indian users due to its great hardware-to-price ratio, making it an attractive option for those seeking a flagship-grade phone at a lower cost than other similar devices. Let's take a look at OnePlus 12R. Key specifications. Design. The OnePlus 12R, a smartphone, shares similarities with its predecessors but has subtle design changes. Its edges are curvier, and the camera has a larger dial than the 11R. The back has a sleek finish with a glass cover. It is available in cool blue and iron grey colors. Let's check out some of its features. Display. The OnePlus 12R boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2780 x 1264 pixels and a 19:8:9 aspect ratio, offering up to 120 Hz refresh. Its display is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Processors. The OnePlus 12R is a smartphone featuring a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and up to 16 GB of RAM. Camera. For photos and videos, the OnePlus 12R boasts a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor, and a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. Battery. With a 5500 mAh battery and 100-watt fast wired charging included in the box, the OnePlus 12R is a powerful device. Let's check out the main features of the OnePlus 12R. Live Lock. OnePlus 12R introduces Live Lock feature, allowing users to lock up to 6 applications in background for up to 72 hours, facilitating quick access and seamless multitasking. Enhanced camera. The OnePlus 12R has a Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera sensor for scenic shots, a macro camera for close-ups, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for video calls and selfies, with tone mapping control for flawless processing. Cryovelocity cooling system. The OnePlus 12 series features a cryovelocity cooling system, ensuring optimal performance and preventing overheating. It features 2 varying-sized vapor chambers, distributing heat evenly and quickly cooling it into liquid. The device runs on Oxygen OS 14 on Android 14. Let's have a look at OnePlus 12R, price and availability. The OnePlus 12R is available into storage options, 8GB RAM plus 256GB or 16GB RAM plus 256GB. The 128GB variant costs 39,999 rupees, while the 256GB variant costs 45,999 rupees. That's all from the tech review of the OnePlus 12 and 12R. For more such tech reviews, please follow us. Do tell us what you think about this video in comment section, and for more tech reviews subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.